Hello everyone, this is the last video regarding ACH payment. In this video we are going to see how to do payment from the customer bank. So let's start this one. So I need to use this one. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste here. Just comment this one. Now we need to do payment. So this payment is like similar how we have done earlier through the card. So dot put put. Then we have to use key and value. So here I'm going to give the amount. So amount I'm going to give here as a $20. Okay, so now we have to use again. So I'm just going to copy this one because we need to use more than 2 times. So first, and now we need to use currency. So currency we can give here in USD dollar. Now we need to use customer, like for which customer we are going to do transaction. So we need to replace this customer ID. So I'm just going to copy and paste here. So this is like we have created our all the variable. Now we need to create one charge. So charge equal to, then we have to use charge dot create. Here we need to add our parameter, so it will do the transaction. Now I am going to paste here so we can see the transaction. Now I need to show you something like here. If I go to the dashboard, you can see how much amount I'm having in the testing account. So it is showing like $15. So now if the transaction will be successful, it will reflect here. But if you are going for transaction, please, you can see this is the ACH payment workflow. So once you are going for the charge, on that time initial status will be like here pending, and after that, like if it will be like successful, suppose if you are going to do after 9 UTC, so the payment will be processed next day, and it will take like 4 business days to, so it will reflect like either it is success or failed. So in first video I told like it will take 5 to 7 days. So this is the all the workflow. So please keep in mind, like you have to go through this Stripe document when you are going to implement the ACH payment. So what we can do here, I'm just going to do here. So once I will run, after that if it is successful, I will see the charge, and I will also see the status, like what status I'm going to see. So you can see here currently, here I am seeing the status as a pending. So I need to minimize my window. You can see here the status is showing currently pending. So what we can do here, again I'm going to retry the payment. So this is the payment ID, right? So how we can retry the payment? We can easily retry. I'm just going to comment this code because I need to see like it is success or failed. So we can do here charge dot we need to retry. So in retry we need to use the ID. So I'm just going to copy this one because in earlier it was showing like pending. So if it is successful, it will show the status as a success, and just save this code, and now you can run. Suppose if it will be like successful, he will, here it will show like sponsor status as a success. So you can see here it is showing succeed, right? So this is a testing account, so it's just reflected within 1 minute, but if you are going for the real time, it will take 4 business days. So now I'm going here, and you can see here today I have done $20, right? So yesterday was 15, today was 20. So you can see this is the way to do like payment from the customer bank account. So if you want to confirm like the payment has been deducted from either card or bank, so what you can do, we have to just go to the customer. So this was our customer T, and if you go to the last his log, so in that log you can see the payment has been done, right? See here Payment is done. Now if you open here it will generate one log. So this is the full details. So in that, if you scroll down, you can see here payment method, right? Here it is showing like the bank name, right? So you can see the money has been deducted from his payment. So this is like ACH debit. You can see here this is ACH debit. So like this is the way to do transaction. So this whole process I have done from like a testing a Stripe account. If you are citizen of US, you can integrate easily, and please let me know if you are facing any issue. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Have a good day.